Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to beat the YouTube. I don't know why that opened, but I'm going to close it. How to beat the YouTube algorithm 2021. I hold nothing back. Now, what you're looking at here is the thumbnail. Okay. I create all my thumbnails for YouTube on Canva. It's the easiest place to do it, and there's a lot of tutorials running around the internet about how to create thumbnails using Canva. I plan to do a video about it in the future, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to tell you how to beat the YouTube algorithm 2021. I hold nothing back. Now, there's a lot of people running around on YouTube and Google or whatever claiming they know how to beat the YouTube algorithm, and they've all got weird and wonderful stories. But this is my opinion, okay? This is my opinion. I'm not saying this is the gospel, but just have a listen. Now, I'll just minimize that for the moment. Well, I might go back to it. First of all, you've got to make you've got to make a thumbnail that really stands out in the crowd. That's number one. And then you've got to have keywords. Like in this example, I'm going to post this as how to beat the YouTube algorithm 2021. Now those keywords are very competitive, okay? So just keep that in mind, and we'll reference these keywords. I will reference these keywords as I'm telling you about the algorithm, how to beat it. But anyway, I'm going to publish this as how to beat the YouTube algorithm 2021, and that they are competitive keywords. Okay. Now, because my mouse is playing up, it's not moving. Maybe the bat's not good, but anyway, I'll just minimize that. Now, I'm on the support, the YouTube support page. And with YouTube, they give you impressions. You see this? What I've done is I've copied that image and put it up here. Okay. Now you get impressions. So what that means is with something like this, I'm not going to get a lot of impressions, okay, because it's competitive. If I had uncompetitive keywords, I would get many more impressions. But when you get an impression, when you get one, when they give you an impression, what YouTube are looking at is the click-through rate. That's very important. So when they give you an impression, if someone doesn't click through, that's not good. So in this example, they've given 400 impressions. Now the views from the impressions were only 2, right? And well, the average view duration was very low, 0.16, you know, not 0.16, 0.16. And the watch time from impressions, well, it looks like that it's an hour. So, this is what they've got here. I've enlarged the whole thing to show you. So the name of the game is when they give you an impression, you want someone to click your thumbnail, right? In my example, I want them to click that. I want a really, high click-through rate on that thumbnail. And then I want people to stay, watching the video for as long as possible. And basically, that's what I would call the key to the whole thing. So I'm not holding anything back. That's my impression of how YouTube are working. Now, if this is a new website and sorry, this is a new channel, and I've been doing a lot of research regarding the algorithm, and I don't have many subscribers at the moment. So, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, and I'm going to be putting up other information regarding how to um, like basically beat the YouTube algorithm and get more views and so forth. And also, I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos about tools that like I might do one about making thumbnails and editing videos and all that type of stuff. All the things that you you need to know about. And another thing, everything I use is free. Okay, I'm not out here to sell you some you know keyword analyzer that's going to cost you $100. A lot of YouTubers are doing that, and then they get a commission back on it and all of that. Well, there's a lot of free stuff out there, and it does the job. So, like I said, I would appreciate if you subscribed and hit the like. But I can tell you now, hitting the like has nothing to do with the price of eggs. What it's all about is getting a high click-through rate, views, and a high click-through rate will give you like high views from impressions, and then keeping that individual, that person, watching your video for as long as possible. That's the key to the whole thing. Like, okay, okay, okay. Uh, so that's basically it for today, and thank you for visiting this channel. Bye for now. Bye.